channel.
Hello all, good day, and this is Chacha. Today in our channel we will see a very simple and different yet delicious curry with Ridgegourd and milk. Check out the ingredients here. Let's get into the preparation now. To make this curry, I have taken a large Ridgegourd. Let's peel off the skin and cut into small pieces like this. For the curry preparation, take 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, add 2 green chilies that is slitted in halves. Add half onion to it that is finely chopped. For the onion to saute quick, I am adding a pinch of salt to it. Mix it well. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute it well until the raw smell of the onion and green chilies are gone. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of fresh cumin seeds that is crushed coarsely using the mortar and pestle. This is the one that adds more flavor to the recipe. Though you have ready-made cumin powder, I would suggest you to crush it freshly and use it for this recipe, which makes this curry more tastier. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it once. Now add the cut Ridgegourd pieces to it. The vegetable itself releases the water while cooking, so add just 3 tablespoons of water for the curry to cook. Add required salt according to your taste. Close the pan and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it's cooked very well. Now switch the stove to low flame and I am adding 1 glass that is 100 ml of boiled and cooled down milk to the curry. Since we had added salt to the curry, the milk that we are adding to it must be boiled well and cooled down, or else it may turn sour. Close it and let it be in medium flame for just 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, let's open and see. A very different and easy Ridgegourd milk curry is all ready now. This is such a simple and easy recipe that gets ready in just 10 minutes. This goes very well with white rice and with chapatis. Please do try this recipe at your home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Please like, share and subscribe to Navarasa Manam channel. Thank you.